I'm the motherfucking trooper, the super duper. I'm not a blooper, I hope her. Punk bitch, show up on the scooper. No weapon, no keep stepping. That's why I'm prepping. I'm padded room, and I make a baby go boom. Nigga sucker, nigga fucker, but better sucker. Wrong to the dome. When I roll, cause I'm the killer, the cap killer. I'm the umbrella, my nigga. I got the cat and I'm a better in the fucking fool. I do the mic, and I'm a strike. 9 times out of 10 with the random the bitches like here I come. The day this life like a plumber, I'm a man to get. Keep it back, smoking a fat, jack and chicken. While I'm kicking, this shit, that's what I'm doing. I'm also looking for the doing. The sucking, I gotta get it, you know I'm with it. The bitches still up back when they you know I gotta kick it.
Light, GMO, casino, dice, at the Mirage, Vegas Strip, neon lights, gamblers, puffing cigars, couples and stars, flashing cameras, dealers, shuffling cards, spent the weekend, already miss New York and it's odd, cause I'm the first to say it got too many hustlers to rob. I never hang out, when we do we bust a 4-5, with shells coming back at us while we jumping the ride, flying, ducking, up bitches in the club plucking, telling my wife who I was dancing with like I was fucking, flew back Monday evening from Nevada where the sun was beaming, to the concrete jungle of cement, limousines from LaGuardia Airport, sleeping, told my dogs peace, kept it moving, I was beat when, got to my crib, where the hell my keys went, ringing the bell, heard a yell but wasn't sure, drop my luggage to the ground, put my ear to the door, slow music, H-Town, no, that's down low, my babies, drop Mercedes is parked, I creep around, yo, to the back, she must be inside, he can't hear, probably upstairs, in the mirror, doing her hair, I walked in through the back door entrance, shocked it was unlocked, when I walked in, I smelled incense, chased by a weed aroma.
Got white girl, got Gwen Stefani, got Mary Jane on me like Spider-Man 3. Got white girl, got Gwen Stefani, got Mary Jane on me like Spider-Man 3. Glock 19 on the side of my seat, yeah, pop me in my start grinding my teeth. All that shit on your mixtape, we can't feel that shit like down in my sleep. Can't touch me like Muhammad Ali, just like Bumpy. I'm an underground king, nigga try me, everybody gotta get it like the COVID-19 vaccine. Pockets been fat like Maxo Cream, fax machine. I promise y'all niggas don't want caffeine. Like Tim Duncan, switching my team. Pulled out the blues on fuck what y'all dudes. Shitting on niggas that hope I lose. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got nothing on me now. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got nothing on me. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got nothing on me now. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got nothing on me. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got nothing on me now. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got nothing on me. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got shit on me. My bitch make more than your damn big homie. Nigga want beef, put Swiss cheese on me. Nigga want smoke, let's put Keith on me. Y'all niggas don't wanna fold me, don't it? Just bought me a scope, I'm tryna see something. Saw some, still undefeated, I'm not lost none. Google.com, how to make a bomb, detonated on your lawn. Hit the crack of dawn, ate my nuts like some pecans. Bitch drank my nuts like Capri Sun. Gave me the keys to her Nissan. Dropped the bitch off at C-Sun. Truth gon' shoot if I say something. You everybody friend like my space Tom. Still getting money with my day one. Fucking on my ex, please don't say none. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got nothing on me, nah. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got nothing on me, nah. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got nothing on me. 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 Pull up with a bitch, y'all niggas ain't hit yet, baby, let's go and have wrist sex. Y'all fuck niggas gotta give me my respect. Jeff can't pass no piss test. Ops don't never wanna bug me, nigga, I step on everybody like insects. Dog outside like recess, and I got every single drug she requests. Nigga got a problem, let's solve it. Molly in my drink, dissolve it. Shout Dipset, we ball. Hit the red button, she callin'.
Every time I feel this shit, I'm motivated. Not only do we flow the shit, it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Yo, if I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking it first. You can't tell me that I won't make it. Knew that I had this gift since birth. Grinding, came out the mud like Roddy. I had no body, I came from dirt. Still came fuck, I put in the work. Pinning a picture when I write lyrics. Don't call me a rapper, I'm really an artist. This weren't by chance or luck. I took one shot and I hit my target. I'm not even yet in my prime, I'm not at 100, yeah, I'm still charging. They don't wanna see me win, but I know in the end I'm winning regardless. Sleepless nights, I was up in the stew, up in the booth trying to make me a hit. Even when I was feeling low, man, I kept on going, I weren't gon' quit. I can't wait for the day that I make it. Next in line, man, I feel like a king. My time will come, I just gotta be patient. Keep on pushing and take these risks. Made racks off putting my pain on tracks. Grinding hard, trying to see more plaques. I've been going harder than ever, I don't have time to sit and relax. I've been putting in countless hours and still not there where I wanna be at. This year I'ma prove them wrong. They said that I can't, but I know that I can. If I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking a first. You can't tell me that I won't make it.